Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Angrypepe token. Ticker symbol is Apepe. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing April 28th, which is in 2 days. So big things may happen for this token, we'll see. But yeah, brand new central exchange listing in 2 days. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Angrypepe token. So right off the bat, we can see that this token is on the Ethereum blockchain because their Twitter is at Angrypepe ETH, ticker symbol APEPE. Now this token is being listed on a central exchange April 28th. Trading opens 8 o'clock a.m. UTC time on Hotbit Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token on the 28th is simply just go right through that Hotbit referral code in the description box down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Apepe, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So deposits open at 6 a.m. UTC time, April 28th, and trading opens 8 a.m. UTC time, April 28th on Hotbit Global. Now, the cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of different tokens on Hotbit by putting them into DeFi farm pools, lockups, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on Hotbit on a lot of different tokens. So maybe they will offer something like this for the Apepe token in the future. So for the project introduction here, it says, "Did you miss Pepe? You must be an Angrypepe. The vision of the Angrypepe community is to create a thriving, dynamic, and innovative ecosystem that embodies the spirit of meme culture, while building a sustainable and inclusive community that adds value to the broader crypto space and beyond. The vision of the Angrypepe community includes the following elements: creativity and humor, utility and adoption, community engagement and governance, inclusivity and diversity, and long-term sustainability." So governance, there is going to be a DAO. So basically by being a token holder or maybe being an NFT holder or something like that, you will be enabled voting rights to vote on proposals on which direction you would like to see this project take. Now there's a total supply here. Of course, they always have this number for meme tokens here. On Hotbit it says 42,069,000,000 tokens. Let's check their Etherscan to verify that. Yes, that is the max total supply according to their Etherscan. Right now they have 248 holders. So these people may have got this token from Uniswap prior to it being listed on Hotbit, because like I said, Hotbit listing is on the 28th. And so far they have 248 holders. So people may have got this off Uniswap. And you can see always on the screen here, this is where you can find their Twitter. Most likely they're going to have a contract address on there or something where you can get this token off Uniswap. If you're looking to get it before the 28th, that is, you may have to set slippage, and there might be taxes, all sorts of stuff like that. I'll have a look to see if we can find tokenomics in a second. But yeah, most likely they got it off Uniswap, and 18 decimal places on this token. So yeah, their Telegram is at Angrypepe ETH as well. 366 members in the Telegram, 36 of them are online. You missed Pepe, now you're an angry Pepe. That's the tagline. 275 followers on their Twitter so far. So it says Angry Pepe giveaway. This happened April 23rd. And this is their pinned tweet. So it says like, retweet, tag 2 people. Now 0% buy and sell tax. So if you are going to get this token off Uniswap, most likely you will not have to set slippage. And it says contract ownership renounced, liquidity locked for 420.67 years. Now, besides that, let's scroll down here. So on their webpage, if you head over to angrypepe.wtf, of course, always memed out over here, they have a DEX tools chart that you could check out. Eventually, you'll be able to see the price and chart and everything like that on Hotbit when it is listed on there. They have their Etherscan contract right on their webpage. So if you're looking for the contract address, you can find it right on angrypepe.wtf. It's right at it's in a couple places actually on their webpage. They even have a link to buy. It'll take you right to Uniswap. Very easy. It says Coin Market Cap coming soon. They have a link here, and CoinGecko coming soon. Let's see if I can click on that and something happens. Nope, not yet. Okay, so there's nothing there yet, but they will be listed on there soon, it says. They have terms of use, and they have a vision. So let's click on vision. So it says, the vision of Angry Pepe community is to create a vibrant and inclusive ecosystem, embraces humor, creativity, and meme culture with a strong and engaged community of meme enthusiasts, crypto investors, supporters who share a common passion for memes and the long-term potential of Angry Pepe as a meme-based cryptocurrency. The community is more about just trading the token. It's a symbol of creativity, expression, community, empowerment, all sorts of stuff like that. So it's community driven. There's going to be collaboration, innovation, participation. Now, the vision is the following elements. So creativity and humor, embrace and celebrate the unique dynamic nature of meme culture, and encourage members to express their creativity and sense of humor through memes, artwork, videos, and other forms of creative expression. Utility and adoption. Drive adoption and utility for the Angry token to exploring and implementing real-world use cases, partnerships, and collaborations that bring value to the community. Governance, so they're going to be able to vote in the direction of the ecosystem. Inclusivity, diversity, we get the idea what that is. And long-term sustainability, implementing sound tokenomics and exploring revenue-generating opportunities. Now, just be aware, I do not see a full audit or a KYC or anything like that. I don't see much security on this token whatsoever, so just totally be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token. And if you are going to get this token, like I said, it will be listed on the 28th on Hotbit. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Angry Pepe? Do you guys think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.